everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we will see how we can quickly add any background, whether it's a color or any image to your Power BI reports. So I am in this report, in my bar graph report, and in order to create any background, be it color or any image, I will just go here and I will select format your report page. Now here you see I have a lot of different informations. I have gone through some of them in my videos. You can go through them and we can have more. Here now, what we have to do, we will go to wallpaper. So this is, we will go as we are adjusting the wallpaper. Now you can see the color is white. You can select it, you can choose any color you want. For example, if I select this color, and you can see the transparency it's set to 61. If I make it 0, you can see the color is here. If I make it 85, you can see the lighter color. So how you want it based on your company colors and all these things, you can change that. If you want to add a colored background, you can do that. I will just go back to white and make it 0. Now if you want to add an image to your background, you have the option here. So I will select add file. You can add a png file here. So I have this file, I will just add it, and now you see the background is added. If it's too dark, you can just adjust the transparency and you will be able to see your visuals. You can also create your own background in any of the available softwares, and you can add boxes to it. You can fix your visuals inside them however you want it. You can add your company logo and all these details. This was pretty simple. I hope you liked the video. Keep watching for more and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.